How to deactivate your account on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your account on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then click here settings and then click account, this one, click on it, and then this one, deactivate account, click on it, and then just click this one. And now all you need to do is just type your password here and then click deactivate, this one. And as you see, that's how deactivate your account on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.